Howdy folks, Kenny here at GearHaul, and just wanted to do a quick product update on some of our new items that we're releasing that are really going to improve your efficiencies, your employees' efficiencies, and make you a lot more money. The first thing that we're going to be talking about today is our bucket trucks. Essentially what we have done is we have incorporated our mount with this is a new improvement with a nylon bolt right here. Once that is secured down on there, obviously it's going to be different with the fiberglass exterior around there, but essentially that tightens it down, but will still allow that to be able to move. And the key thing about our stuff is that you don't have to buy a whole new system. Once this wears out, you have to just buy a new scabbard. Essentially, instead of having to pay $400 for a unit, you're paying $200. So this is a new product we have not yet released yet, but this is the other version that we're going to be releasing very soon. Essentially what we did is we took our SawHaul bucket truck and we've incorporated a knife holder into that. So now you can carry a hand saw as well as your trim saw. Obviously, we always want the power head to be weighted on top caps. That's the key to this whole deal. If you come around this corner right here, watch your step. This right here is the BucketHaul. One of the handiest things in the world on a job site is a bucket. One of the hardest things in the world to maneuver and carry is a bucket. What we have done is we've incorporated our Snap-Lok system into here. So once you use this, you want to take it off, you're done. All you do is take that off. Go hang it on the wall with our wall mounting system. It's literally just peasy. It's an unbelievable system. And then to do it, all you have to do is pull that pin. You can twist it to every 15 degrees. Essentially, we can now be bolting pretty much anything to anything. Boom, right there. Right here, we have the fixed mount CallHaul. That is a CallHaul. That is a 65-pound magnet right there. That baby will pick up a chunk of I-beam. It's pretty amazing. If we come over here to this other side, we have incorporated our rail rider system. So this is just brand new to the market. Essentially, we can bolt anything literally to anything now. You have a coffee cup you want to bolt to? We can bolt it on there. Our proprietary design right here allows for these open slots. So if you have a fixed unit, turn it to whatever angle, bolt it straight on it. If you have the Snap-Lok, bolt it right on there. Literally, we can carry anything. Gas cans, long hand tools. We put pole saws on here, chainsaws. It's like literally the sky's the limit. And how many minutes a day are your employees wasting walking back and forth? How many times does your employee have to stop what they're doing and see if you are texting them, or if it's their wife or their kids or their whoever? They see right now who's calling them. If it's important, answer it. If it's not, let it go. We've done the calculations, and these systems literally pay for themselves within a day and a half. If you're looking at the ROI on that, you figure you're running a two-man crew. So if we can save you 24 minutes a day by not having to walk back and forth to the trucks, not having to load and unload in the morning, in the evening when you get back, you paid for this literally in 2 days. And that's not the whole work day. That's just the 24 minutes that we are cutting out of their days. You have a 3-man crew, all we need is 8 minutes. 8 minutes isn't very long. How many times have they stopped to check their cell phones during the day? If we continue to come back this way a little bit, there's the Snap-Lok rail rider, just showing like different mounts and whatnot. These are going to be extremely big in the tree care industry associations, where we're going to be putting them on a bunch of man lifts. What's the worst thing about being in a man lift? Not enough room. We exponentially create more room for you with that ability to be able just to mount that stuff on there. The wife absolutely loves to mow. She asked me to make this CallHaul for her. That's where that whole idea came from. She sits there, sees her notifications coming in when she's mowing. She puts in her earbuds, mows. It's 3 levels of protection. We have snaps in there is number 1. Number 2 is the bungee around that. And number 3, we have a tether right here showing that if something did happen, it's still not going to fall underneath there and get run over. How many phones get run over every year by dropping them out of the vehicle or mowing over them or anything like that? There was a guy the other day driving down our road in town. He was carrying a weed eater, a blower, and a bucket all in his lap and trying to mow like this. Is that safe? You want your employees doing that? It definitely doesn't look professional. Weed eater mounts? Yeah, we got them. Blower mounts? Yeah, we got them. Hey, BucketHaul on a mower? Who doesn't need a bucket when you're out mowing and picking up trash? Guess what? Put the liner in it, you're done for the day, pull that pin, flip it over, and it's empty. That's simple. Rangers? Yeah, we can mount to them. A lot of you do a lot of clearing and burning and whatnot. There's a need for propane torches and whatnot. We can carry those on there. Long handle tools. We have the bed rail buddy system for the Polaris Rangers and Generals. It's for the Can-Am link systems. And then if you want to, you can bolt it on. All these different choices. We have the SawHaul on here. That's the thing about it. You're limited by your space in the bed of what you can do. Let us take care of that. 0 bed space taken up, literally. You can mount these all the way around. You can mount the rail rider on it. As a matter of fact, look at this system right here. This is our test one that we did. But so here is our Z-plate model that is going to be coming out for the walls and trailers and things like that. We have, for instance, you have a T-nut system, like a lot of Toyotas and Jeeps and stuff like that do. Yeah, we can mount to those too. Literally, we can mount to anything in the world, and we can carry anything in the world. A lot of people ask, how much can it carry? We don't know. We haven't been able to break it. We did a Fat Kenny test, and that was a 225 pounds with me standing in this BucketHaul right here. B&W Trailer Hitches manufactures all of our metal components. Everything's sourced locally in Kansas, and we were the 18th certified made in Kansas company in our state's history, and we were the business of the year this year for our local city of Chinook, Kansas, and we were very privileged to be awarded the Southeast Kansas Manufacturer of the Year last year from the Lieutenant Governor in the Kansas Department of Commerce for the Southeast region of Kansas, which there was 5 regions plus one overall winner. So out of 4,436 manufacturers, we were in the top of our whole region. We make airplanes down here, and we do stuff right. This is what we know. Don't trust stuff from people who didn't grow up using this stuff. All this stuff is designed by me because I know the end challenges. I know what it's like to be out there exhausted, cutting, and the last thing you want to do when you get home, if it's 112 degrees out, is take all this stuff and put it away. You know, hey, let me do you a little favor. Watch. Your saw's in it. You're put away. Literally that simple. You don't know what you're going to use for the day? You have your stuff already pre-loaded and go, okay, well, I need the weed eater, the blower, the chainsaw, and the bucket. And then you have your different base components mixed and matched throughout all of your different machinery that you have. And you don't have to have a unique system for each individual piece of equipment. You can literally put a base mount on all this stuff and just switch it out. It's literally that easy. I mean, pull pin, rotate it. Pull pin, rotate it. Pull pin, rotate it. And this is kind of neat. We also have like scrunch and file holders built into them. And I mean, and if that wasn't enough, what? We do trailers too? Of course we do. Enclosed trailer, car trailer, it doesn't matter. Literally, you can lock all this stuff up. You can be going down the highway. You have ToolHaul here. You have your long handle tools. You have your pole saw. You can have your whichever it is that you're going to need right here, ready to go. You unload your equipment, you're ready to go. It just makes sense. If I can save your company 8 minutes an individual a day, say it was a 7,500 crews out there. If we can save each one of those crews 24 minutes between the crews a day, it doesn't take long. It adds up quick. We're talking safety factors. We've saved lives. We had a customer had one on his tractor, and we did the calculations. It was like 165,000 pounds of square inch of force that fell on his SawHaul right here, and it didn't budge. We've had tractors burn up, and the SawHaul's still sitting there. These things are like indestructible. Give us a chance. We'd love to have you. Again, Kenny with GearHaul, and hope to talk to you soon.